people facing this issue that our profile is not approved, and they are facing this issue. So I am going to show you the solution of Upwork that how to improve and create a profile. So first of all, search Upwork in Google. Click on main website. Then click on sign up. Here type your first name and last name, and last type your email, and hit enter or click on get started. Then select your country. Here my country is Pakistan, so it's by default it's Pakistan. Then select your password, and if you want to hire people for your project, then click for hire for a project. And if you want to work as a freelancer, so click on work as a freelancer. After that select username, then type these characters. Verify your email address to access. So go to your email. I'm going to my email. So here I received an email from our. Please verify your email address. So click on this link to verify your Upwork profile. Here my email is being verified. Now select your categories, that which category you providing to the client. So I'm going to create a account for graphic design, so I'm selecting design and creativity. Here is subcategories. Select from this graphic design and logo design or other designing. Now type your skills: logo designs, graphic design, and what is your experience level. Click on your experience level. Now here upload your photo. Here I'm going to write my title: graphic designer. Here I have a overview, so I'm going to copy here. So now type education, your education here. After that select your English proficiency. So I'm going to select fluent. Then type your hourly rate. Select your availability as needed. Both what type of projects you are interested in, both longer and short. Type address here, and here city. Now we are going to upload picture. upload successfully. I'm going to submit application. So my account has been created successfully. I'm going to submit my application to join for approval. Your profile is under review. You should back here within 12 hours. You will be able to submit proposal once your profile is approved. So now time is 11:40 a.m. 13 January 2018. So I will show you after 1 hour that our account has been successfully approved. Hello friends, this is profile which we submitted for approval on 11:40 a.m. 13 January and 2018. As I told you that I will show you that our profile will be approved after 1-2 hours. So now my profile is approved. There is no notification here that your profile is under review. So I am going to submit a proposal. Here you see that 60 available connects are available. I am going to submit a logo designs proposal. Now here type your budget, time your type select your duration, and here type your cover letter, and then click on submit proposal. Your proposal will be submitted. So our profile is approved. Thank you for watching.